Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy A03s, and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder on this device. First of all, go into Play Store, click on the search bar and type Samsung voice recorder. Then download this app from this developer if you don't have it already and tap on Open. Now choose while using the app, click on Allow and tap on this red button to start your recording. You can pause it and unpause it by tapping on the same one. If you wish to end your recording, click on the square button, name it and tap on Save. As you can see, my recording was successfully named and saved. If you wish to delete it, you can always hold it. Click on Delete at the bottom left corner over here and tap on Move to Recycle Bin. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!